One banana, two bananas, 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas for me. 4 bananas, 5 bananas, 4, 5, 6. 6 bananas for me.
Can you count to 6? Drag 6 bananas to peck.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good
6.
work counting to 6.